Welcome to Full Course Online. In this Excel beginner tutorial, we will add borders, apply shading, and use cell styles. First, let's add borders. Select a group of cells that you want to format. Go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click the Borders button. Click Bottom Border to add a line under the cells. Click Top Border to add a line above the cells. Click Left Border to add a line on the left side. Click Right Border to add a line on the right side. To place borders on all sides, let me select Thick Border Outside. For advanced options, click More Borders. Here you can pick different line styles and colors to customize the border. Select Style for the border. And then select red color, or color of your choice. From the presets, you may want to change border area. Now let's apply shading. Keep the same cells selected. Go to the Home tab. In the Font group, click the Borders button. And click the Fill Color button. Pick a background color. The selected cells now have a yellow background. Change it again to light blue. Now the background turns blue. You can try different colors to highlight important data. Finally, let's try cell styles. On the Home tab, go to the Styles group. Click Cell Styles. Choose Good to mark data with a green highlight. Choose Bad to mark data with a red highlight. Or choose Neutral for a softer yellow style. Cell styles combine font, color, and borders in just one click. Borders, shading, and cell styles make your worksheet more attractive and easier to read. Thanks for watching this tutorial from Full Course Online. If you are enjoying this Excel series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons.